Welcome back to Old Charles. Today we are going to take a deep dive into one of the most iconic coins in United States history, the 1776 to 1976 Bicentennial quarter. This coin is a symbol of American heritage and it carries a story that spans 200 years. Its release was meant to commemorate the 200th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence, and it immediately captured the attention of collectors and casual coin enthusiasts alike. The Bicentennial quarter features a unique design. Unlike any other circulating quarters, the obverse retains the classic portrait of George Washington, which has been familiar to coin collectors for decades, but the reverse is completely redesigned to honor the spirit of the American Revolution. It showcases a colonial drummer surrounded by 13 stars representing the original 13 colonies. This imagery evokes a sense of patriotism and historical pride, and it was the first time that the United States Mint introduced a reverse design that was intended to be temporary and only for the bicentennial year. One of the most interesting aspects of the 1776 to 1976 quarter is its composition. These coins were minted in two different metal compositions: the standard copper nickel clad, which is identical to other circulating quarters of the period, and a special 40% silver version that was intended primarily for collectors. The silver versions were sold in special proof and uncirculated sets, and they are highly sought after today. Because of their precious metal content and historical significance, determining the value of a 1776 to 1976 quarter depends on several factors, including its condition, whether it is the standard clad version or the 40% silver version, and if it has any unique mint marks or errors. Coins that remain in uncirculated condition with no signs of wear are naturally more valuable, while those that have circulated and show scratches, dents, or other imperfections are typically closer to face value. However, even circulated coins can hold sentimental and collectible value, especially for those who appreciate the artistry and historical significance of the bicentennial design. Collectors also pay close attention to the mint marks, which indicate where the coin was produced. D coins were minted in Denver, S coins in San Francisco, and P coins in Philadelphia. The San Francisco proof coins are generally considered the most desirable among collectors because of their pristine finish and limited mintage. Additionally, there are some interesting variations and errors that can significantly increase the value of these quarters. Some coins may exhibit doubling on the date or letters, missing details in the design, or even off-center strikes. Any of these anomalies can make a coin far more valuable to the right buyer, and they are often the subject of intense interest in the coin collecting community. The historical significance of the 1776 to 1976 quarter cannot be overstated. This coin was released at a time when Americans were reflecting on their history and celebrating 2 centuries of independence. The drum on the reverse is not just decorative, it symbolizes the call to arms and the revolutionary spirit that founded the nation. Collecting these quarters is not only about the potential monetary value but also about preserving a tangible piece of history. Many collectors seek out complete sets of the bicentennial quarters, including the standard circulating coins, the silver-clad versions, and the proof. Some even focus on collecting quarters from each mint or looking for coins in pristine condition that have never been handled. Others may focus on educational purposes, using these coins to teach about American history. The symbolism on the coin and the significance of the bicentennial celebration. In conclusion, the United States 1776 to 1976 quarter dollar is much more than a coin. It is a piece of history, a celebration of 2 centuries of American independence, and a collector's treasure. Its value can range from a few dollars for circulated examples to hundreds of dollars for uncirculated silver versions or coins with rare minting errors. Whether you are a beginner collector looking to start a bicentennial set or an experienced numismatist seeking a rare silver proof, this quarter holds a unique place in American coinage and continues to capture the interest and imagination of collectors around the world. Every coin tells a story, and the bicentennial quarter tells a story of freedom, resilience, and pride that is truly timeless. The history of the United States 1776 to 1976 quarter dollar is deeply tied to the story of the nation itself. This coin was created to celebrate the bicentennial of American independence, marking 200 years since the signing of the Declaration of Independence in 1776. The idea of commemorating this historic milestone came many years in advance and involved the United States Congress, which passed legislation directing the United States Mint to produce coins that would honor the event. This legislation specifically mandated that the quarter, half dollar, and dollar coins all feature new designs for the year 1976, and the Mint enthusiastically began planning the designs with input from artists, historians, and the public. The Obverse or front of the quarter retained the familiar portrait of George Washington, which had been in use since 1932. This portrait was originally designed to commemorate the bicentennial of Washington's birth, but it became a permanent feature of the quarter. The reverse, however, was completely redesigned for the bicentennial celebration. The winning design was created by Jack Lyman and depicted a colonial drummer, symbolizing the spirit of the American Revolution and the call to arms that united the 13 colonies against British rule. Surrounding the drummer are 13 stars representing the original 13 colonies, and this design was a deliberate choice to evoke patriotism and the revolutionary history of the nation. The 1776 to 1976 quarter is unique in that it was minted in both the standard copper nickel-clad composition and a special 40% silver composition for collectors. The silver coins were sold primarily in proof and uncirculated sets, and they quickly became a favorite among numismatists because of their beauty and their connection to a historic event. In terms of minting, the coins were produced at 3 facilities: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Coins from Philadelphia bear no mint mark, while those from Denver carry a D, and proof coins from San Francisco carry an S. Minting began in 1975 to ensure enough coins would be available for circulation during the bicentennial year, and the mint struck millions of coins, making it one of the most widely distributed commemorative coins in United States history. Despite their abundance, the coins hold historical significance, and many collectors consider them essential for any collection of American coinage. The release of the bicentennial quarter also coincided with a period of renewed interest in American history and patriotism in the United States. There were celebrations across the country, parades, and educational programs that highlighted the achievements of the nation and the struggle for independence. The quarter became not just currency but a symbol of national pride and a reminder of the revolutionary spirit that shaped the country. Numismatic history also notes that the bicentennial coins were the first modern circulating coins to feature a temporary reverse design, and this set a precedent for future commemorative issues. The bicentennial quarter remains an important part of American coin collecting history because it represents both a tangible link to the nation's past and a creative moment in the mint's production history. The coins are also studied by historians and collectors alike for their design choices, symbolism, and variations, including differences in strike quality and occasional errors which can make certain examples more valuable today. The 1776 to 1976 quarter dollar continues to be celebrated by collectors, educators, and history enthusiasts. It is a reminder of the importance of remembering the past, the sacrifices of the founding generation, and the ongoing story of the United States as a nation. Every time one holds a bicentennial quarter, it is possible to reflect on the ideals of liberty, freedom, and perseverance that the coin was designed to commemorate, and this historical significance ensures that the 1776 to 1976 quarter will remain a beloved piece of American heritage for generations to come. When it comes to collecting the United States 1776 to 1976 quarter dollar, one of the most important factors that affects its value and desirability is its condition. The condition of a coin refers to its physical state, including the presence or absence of wear, scratches, dents, or other imperfections. Coins are typically graded on a scale from poor to mint state, and this grading system helps collectors determine the quality of the coin and its potential market value. For the bicentennial quarter, coins that have been heavily circulated and show significant signs of wear are usually considered lower grade and are valued primarily for their historical significance rather than monetary worth. These coins often have flattened details on George Washington's portrait, and the colonial drummer on the reverse may appear less distinct. The stars surrounding the drummer may be worn down, and the surface of the coin may show scratches or discoloration from handling or exposure to the elements. On the other end of the spectrum are coins that are in uncirculated or mint state condition. These coins have never been used in everyday transactions and retain their original luster and sharp detail. The obverse portrait of George Washington appears crisp, and the reverse design of the colonial drummer is fully detailed with all 13 stars clearly visible. The fields or flat surfaces of the coin are free from marks, and the edges show no signs of wear. Uncirculated coins can come from standard circulation minting or from special collector sets, including proof and silver-clad versions. Proof coins are particularly notable for their mirror-like finish and sharp design details. Proof coins from San Francisco were carefully struck and inspected, resulting in coins that are almost flawless, and they often command a premium among collectors. The 40% silver bicentennial quarters are another Example where condition is extremely important. Silver coins are more susceptible to toning, tarnish and corrosion over time, but coins that have been stored properly in protective holders can retain their original beauty for decades. Collectors often use coin holders, capsules or albums to protect these valuable coins and prevent any damage that might lower their grade. Even minor scratches, fingerprints or exposure to moisture can significantly reduce a coin's value, making proper handling and storage essential for preservation. In addition to overall wear, collectors also pay attention to specific details such as the sharpness of the date, the clarity of the mint mark and the definition of the drummer and stars on the reverse. Minor variations or imperfections can affect the grading, and sometimes rare errors like double dies off center